the comfort and safety of everyone, please remain seated at all times.
You're scary, yeah.
Thank you.
I'm enjoying.
Enjoying it?
It's going to go a lot more higher.
Welcome aboard the SeaWorld Skytower. As you take your ride up to a height of 300 feet, we thought it would be helpful to share some SeaWorld tips that might make your day even more enjoyable. For your own safety, please stay in your seats for the entire ride and no smoking, please.
We're not allowed to stand.
Sit for your own safety.
Look at the mantis.
Did you know that SeaWorld has rescued and rehabilitated more than 39,000 animals? None of this would be possible without the continued support of our partner agencies, park guests like you, as well as people across the globe taking action to protect these amazing animals and their habitats.
Sit down.
Our teams are on call 24/7, 365 days a year, partnering with multiple government agencies, conservationists, zoological facilities, and others to rescue animals in need of our care, always with the goal of rehabilitating them and returning them to the wild.
They go like crack them with the clean.
See, I can take a photo like this. Look at
Reminders, please remain seated. Por favor, permanecer sentados. Por favor, permanecer sentados.
Look at that.
Sit down, sit down.
Well, we're just about 300 feet up now, and from here you can see for miles and
That one,
miles.
the kids one.
As the cabin
orange
goes
ones.
up, keep in mind
Yeah, there's a kids roller coaster.
tropical
No,
oasis
but
right
you're in
across the street
SeaWorld,
from
not in
SeaWorld.
Florida.
That's
And now that we
Discovery
went
Cove,
in Sesame
where you
Street,
can
no?
snorkel,
There is?
raise,
Oh, that's
and
fun.
fish,
No.
relax
That's a
on
good roller coaster.
beautiful
You can go
beach,
there. It
and
doesn't go
even
upside
swim
down.
alongside
But it
dolphins.
goes very high. You're not
Where is that?
Look, look, no. Look, look, it goes upside
Also
down.
across the street from
Yeah, it goes
SeaWorld,
upside
you'll
down.
find a
Mama,
park.
there's what happened. Like this.
Orlando. This amazing park has been voted the outdoor
Beautiful, right?
Visit the International Tower today to see how you can experience Discovery Cove and
You have to do that. We can
Hello everyone, welcome once again to SeaWorld Skytower. Just wanted to share with you a little information about what's happening today at the park. If you all think that we don't have orchid shows, you are wrong. The Orchid Stadium is undergoing maintenance, but we still are running mini shows every hour on the half hour. In fact, there's one currently on the way.
See, that's the one.
But these are mini shows that last anywhere from 15 to 20 minutes. Next one will be at 5:30, then 6:30.
Wonderful.
If you're looking
Look at-
for the
look at that, look at that, look at-
show, it's
look
happening
at the
at
orcas
5
there.
o'clock at Dolphin Stadium. This show builds up
Where?
so be
Look
sure to
there,
arrive
the
there
tank.
as soon as possible, at least 10 to
See
15
the orcas
minutes
there?
early.
The three of them.
Yeah.
And if you're staying for tonight's concert,
What's that?
don't forget to make it to base
That's the
station
orca.
at 6:30. And if you're planning to go on our roller coasters, get cracking the shot. That's the green roller coaster, which has 7 versions going at 69 miles per hour.
Dude. No. Why?
And if you're looking to make a splash and get a little wet, don't forget to head on over to Journey to Atlantis.
We never went to the water park.
Enjoy as we start descending back into the
That's the
island.
water park.
What?
That's the water park.
Which water?
You don't see that?
No.
There.
There.
The entire thing is a water park.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I don't want to go there so bad before.
Not today, we can't.
Why?
We are
Even
committed
hot
to
summer, that's why
protecting
they
life and the
See,
ocean.
look at the yacht. That's where the sea lions and otters
Your
are.
visit is a chance for you to play a part in protecting our planet.
See the sea lions there right in front of you?
Each experience
Where?
On that, where the bird is flying there. Look at my finger, that one.
and ocean health initiatives.
That
Your
roller
mission
coaster?
is
Right
to
below
see
it.
here and see
That?
there.
Yes.
From park to planet.
This looks like a building that's not fully built.
Now look at the orcas again.
Where?
information on any of our award-winning events, guided tours, educational programs, or restaurant reservations, visit us online at SeaWorld.com, download the SeaWorld app, or stop by the guest information counter located near the park's front entrance. We hope that you have enjoyed your ride aboard the
See, look at
SeaWorld
our strollers.
Skytower. Be sure to check
Where?
your seats for any
There.
belongings and watch your step as you exit the cabin. Thanks for joining
There.
us and have a great day here at
Oh yeah, I
SeaWorld.
don't see it.
So the rocket is scheduled for
We thank you again for your visit. Please remain in your seat until the cabin comes to a complete stop. Por favor, permanecer
No, digo
sentados
fast.
hasta que la